Finally, the wait is over. After months of preparation and I am studying right here, stress and sleepless nights, I got my ECET rank. In this video, I'll reveal my rank, walk through the complete counseling process and also reveal the college I'm finally joining. If you're preparing for ECET or waiting for your counseling, this video is a must watch. I'll be sharing how I registered, filled web options, how seat allotment works, fee payment and what happens during the reporting at college. If you don't know me, hello there, I'm Sumaira Anjum studying second year B.Tech in a college which I'm going to reveal in this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. So after a lot of hard work, preparation and tension, the moment finally came. The ECET results were out and I opened the website to check my result. I entered my hall ticket number, held my breath and the results were in front of me. And I have scored 131 marks out of 200. My branch rank is 269 and the integrated rank is 339. Honestly, I didn't expect this rank, but I was hopeful, and with this rank, I started planning my web options and shortlisting the colleges. Once your results are out, you need to wait for the counseling dates to be released and complete your counseling process. This process starts with the candidate registration. You need to go to the ECET counseling website, which will be working only at the time of counseling, and click on the candidate registration. You need to check all your details and upload the documents whichever are asked. Make sure you check your personal details thoroughly, and if there is a need of change, you need to upload the documents clearly, and then your documents will be verified and the changes will be made soon. If you have any doubt or any problem regarding candidate registration, you can directly go to the helpline center and complete your registration. Later comes the fee payment process. Once you're verified, you can pay the counseling fees, which is about 100 rupees. After this, you need to download your application form. Just enter your hall ticket number and date of birth and you can download your application form and save it in your mobile or laptop or PC. This website will be updated time to time, so you need to be alert and keep checking the updates. If your certificates are not properly scanned or if they are not valid, you will be asked to re-upload your certificate and your application will not be printed. So for all those, you need to be active on this website and you need to keep checking all the updates. Then comes the exercising of web options. You need to select the college which you want to join. Start by making the list of your priorities by noting down the name of college, branch, its fee structure and the number of seats available. This may help you categorize and finalize the college and branch which you want to select. This is going to be a biggest decision because you're going to spend 3 years of your life on this decision. So make sure you think before you decide. If possible, visit the college which you want to join, know about the college, its faculty, talk to a few students if you want, and then you can finalize the college. To make this easy for you, I have uploaded a video where I have visited many B.Tech colleges before joining my B.Tech, before selecting my college, so make sure you check out that. Okay, coming back to the web options, once you have finalized the list of your colleges and once the date of exercising the web options has arrived, you can go to the official website again and click on the web options. Enter your hall ticket number, date of birth and the captcha. Click on submit and also enter the OTP sent to your mobile. Now the page which looks something like this is opened. Here you can select the colleges one by one. Now on the left side you can see the list of all the colleges of different districts from your region. You can select the district which you want so that the colleges will filter according to that district. Now you just need to click on the plus button so that the option will be added into your selected colleges. You can select multiple colleges and also the priority of the colleges which you want to join. Make sure that the college which you want to join is at the top. Make sure that your dream college with the dream branch is at the top, and later you can choose different branches and colleges. If you have selected a particular college to join, I suggest you to select multiple branches of the same college, so that if you not get your dream branch also, you can get a seat in your dream college. For example, I am a CSE student and I want to join in a particular college, so I will be choosing different branches like CSG, CSM, CSE, CSB of the same college. So you can choose the different branches of same college, and there are more chances of getting a seat in your dream college. Now the number of options you need to select depends upon your rank. The more is your rank, the more options you need to keep, because if your rank is high and if you select less number of options, you might not be selected in any of the colleges. This might create a problem. So put more number of options and sit quietly, relaxed, and select the options wisely. Take your time and make sure that your priority and interests are completely met. Check your selected colleges twice or thrice before submitting. When you've finalized your colleges, click on preview web options and once again check whether you're sure that you want to select these colleges, and then click on save. It asks whether you're sure that you want to save these colleges. Click on OK and your web options will be saved successfully. If you want to print it as a PDF, you need to click on save and print, so that all your selected colleges list will be saved as a PDF in your device. That was all about web options. You can change your options anytime until the last date of submission, and you can also change at the time of resubmission of your options, and then you just need to click on close and come back to the home page. After a few days, the website will be updated. Click on the provisional allotment order and enter your hall ticket number and DOB. Also enter the OTP sent to your mobile. Now you need to download the allotment order, complete the online self-reporting and download the joining report. Just click on download allotment in PDF and it will be saved in your device. Next comes the self-reporting. Before joining the college, you need to report online. Again, enter the hall ticket number and DOB. You need to accept that you want to join this college and your online self-reporting will be done. After online self-reporting, you can download your joining report. You can see that another option, which is college-wise allotment report, has appeared on the site. You can select the college and branch to see who are the students selected in that particular college.
Sumaira.
So, which college did I finally join for B.Tech? Presenting you RVR and JC College of Engineering. Yes, after a lot of searching, I have selected RVR and JC College of Engineering for my B.Tech. I'm going to spend my next 3 years in this college. I chose this college because of its good faculty, location, labs, and also because I felt it was the best option for my rank. Now let's see how the journey goes. Wish me all the best in the comment section. After completing online self-reporting and downloading your joining report and allotment order, you need to go to the college to report offline. So submit these documents to the college with a few details which they asked, and your offline reporting will also be done. If you not report, your seat might be cancelled, so do this ASAP. Now you'll be given a list of documents which you need to submit at the college. You need to get the originals as well as 2 Xerox copies and submit to the college on the first day itself. So after completing your offline self-reporting, you need to start collecting your documents. If you don't know what are all those documents, I've made a separate video for that, so do check it out. So that was all about my ECET and counseling journey. Here on, the new journey of my B.Tech college life begins. Let me know which college have you all joined in the comment section. I would be glad to know about it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.